here is your spacious living and dining area. You can see how spacious your kitchen is. Even if you open your master bedroom, you can see you can easily place your king size bed. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Chandi Valley by Nahar Group located in Powai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project, right in front of the actual site. Also, you can have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. We will be getting into all details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 3.5 acres that has total of 3 towers with 6 wings that will have 2 levels of podium plus E-deck floor plus 14 residential floors, having 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK residences. Now talking about the amenities, this project has 15 plus amenities with swimming pool, gym, clubhouse, banquet hall, mini theatre, indoor games, kids play area and many more amenities within the project. And now talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located to opposite Lake Homes, Powai, from where Eastern Express Highway is at distance of 25 minutes, Western Express Highway is at distance of 25 minutes, International Airport is at a distance of 4.2 kilometers, JVLR is only at a distance of 1.4 kilometers and Sakinaka Metro Station is at a distance of 2.1 kilometers from the project. Also, you have school, colleges, hospital all within the distance of 1 kilometer from the project. And to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now, let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. And now, we will be entering your spacious and luxurious 3 BHK of the residential project Chandi Valley. This 3 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 1537 square feet. As we enter, you can see this over here is your spacious foyer area where 3 to 4 people can enter very easily at the very same time. Moving forward, this over here is a spacious living and dining area that you can customize as per your choice. You can see how spacious your living is where easily you can accommodate 15 to 20 people at the very same time and enjoy gatherings with your friends and family. Moving forward, on this side we have your dining area where you can easily place a 8 to 10 people dining table and enjoy meals with your friends and family. Also, you have an extra utility corner over here that you can customize as per your choice. And let's move to the very beautiful part of this home. Over here, you will be getting full French windows with a very spacious balcony where you can easily place your tea tables, tea chairs, you can place your swings, you can make your entertainment corner in this dining by enjoying beautiful views from your very own balcony. And now, as we move forward, this apartment is on a butterfly layout, so you have bedrooms on both the sides. On this side, you have a first bedroom. Before that, you have a powder washroom that can be utilized by your guests and which also respects your privacy and no interruptions. And this over here is your very first bedroom that you can see is very spacious. You can easily place your king size bed along with your side tables. You can see you have plenty of walkable space even after placing your furniture. You can see your wardrobe space is also very spacious, which has great depth and storage. Also, the floor to ceiling height is of 10 feet, so you can also customize lofts if you want. And in this bedroom, you will be getting French doors and half French windows with glass facade, and the French door is connected directly to the running balcony that comes from the living room. Moving forward, on this side of the bedroom, we have your private washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And now let's move to the other side of the apartment. Over here we have your alley area that has entrance to your other bedrooms and your kitchen space. On this side we have your kitchen space where you will be getting an L-shaped platform. You can customize your lower and upper cabinets. You can see how spacious your kitchen is. Even if you open your cabinets, you will still have walkable space. And moving forward, on this side you have a very spacious dryer area where you can place your washing machine. And attached to your dryer area, you will get an extra storage place that you can customize as per your choice, and attached to it, you also have a serviette washroom that gives you full privacy. And now, let's move forward to the bedrooms. Opposite to your kitchen space is your second bedroom that you can see is very spacious to place a king size bed, your side tables. You have plenty of walkable space even after placing all your furniture. Also, you can see this bedroom is very spacious if you want to make an extra seating corner, and you will be getting full French windows with glass facade for your safety and a beautiful standing balcony look. Also, you can see your wardrobe space is very spacious. It has great depth. I would like to mention again that your floor to ceiling height is of 10 feet, so you can also build lofts if you want. And in this corner, we have your private washroom of this bedroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And now, before moving towards the most spacious and the best bedroom of this 3 BHK, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now, let's move to the most spacious master bedroom of this 3 BHK. And as we enter, you have a very spacious foyer area that gives your bedroom full privacy and no interruptions in your master bedroom. Towards the right of the entrance, we have your private washroom that is very spacious. You can also design it as a walk-in wardrobe, or you can separate it. That's totally up to you. You can customize it as per your choice. And this washroom will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And this over here is the space of your master bedroom. You can see you can easily place your king size bed along with your side tables, and you have plenty of walkable space even after placing all your furniture. You can customize your TV unit, you can customize an extra study corner or a makeup room, or you can design your corner as per your choice. Over here you have space for large size wardrobes. You can customize it as per your choice. Also, in this bedroom you will be getting full French windows with a very spacious balcony. This over here is your spacious balcony of this master bedroom, where you can place your tea tables, your swings, and enjoy time with your family. Also, you can see you have grill which is at this level, so you have 100% safety. And this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Chandi Valley. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, have you bought properties in this location before? If yes, what are your reviews? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat videos. So everyone, this was a 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Chandi Valley by Nahar Group located in Powai.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.